A running Ford Galaxie for just $1,000. A rare AMC Marlin, a classic Mustang convertible, and one of the coolest Chevy vans ever built. Let's check out 15 affordable classic cars for sale before somebody else grabs them.
Car number 1, 1965 Ford Thunderbird, $1,900. We're starting with a 1965 Ford Thunderbird from Beecher, Illinois. The seller doesn't provide many details, but we do know the car has an automatic transmission, around 65,000 miles, and a title in hand. Even with the limited information, seeing a mid-1960s Thunderbird listed for less than $2,000 is enough to catch anyone's attention. This one definitely deserves a closer look.
Car number 2. 1969 Ford Galaxie 500, $1,000. Next up is a 1969 Ford Galaxie 500 from Mansalona, Michigan, and it's listed for only $1,000. The seller says the car starts and runs, but it needs a new battery and has a coolant leak. Since the car belonged to the seller's grandfather, there's also a little family history attached to it. For someone willing to do a little work, this could be an inexpensive way to get into the classic car hobby.
Car number 3, 1958 Ford Fairlane, $8,000. Here's a beautifully updated 1958 Ford Fairlane from Beloit, Wisconsin. The car features a rebuilt 351 Windsor engine, a rebuilt C4 transmission, and a completely refreshed interior. According to the seller, the body has only minimal rust, and the underside and engine compartment have already been treated. If you're looking for a classic Ford that's ready to enjoy, this Fairlane sounds like a great option.
Car number 4, 1965 Chevrolet G10 van, $9,400. This 1965 Chevrolet G10 is one of the coolest vehicles on today's list. Powered by a straight-six engine connected to a 3-speed manual transmission, this classic van still runs and drives well. The seller says extra body parts are included, which is always a nice bonus. With its short wheelbase design and vintage appearance, it's easy to understand why the owner calls it a favorite. Car number 5. 1959 Ford Galaxie 500, $10,000. We'll finish part 1 with this 1959 Ford Galaxie 500 from Edgerton, Wisconsin. Finished in green and white, the car appears to be in excellent condition and still retains plenty of its original chrome trim. The seller says it starts immediately and runs well. If you're looking for a stylish cruiser from the late 1950s, this Galaxie definitely has plenty of appeal.
Car number 6, 1956 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, $9,500. We're starting part 2 with this beautiful 1956 Cadillac DeVille from Galesburg, Illinois. The car received newer paint, and the interior has been restored with a period-correct black and white design. According to the seller, the engine only needs a little more work before it's back on the road. Extra parts are included, including additional chrome trim and a spare bumper. This isn't a perfect show car, but it could become an excellent weekend cruiser.
Car number 7, 1965 Dodge Custom 880, $10,000.
Next is this elegant 1965 Dodge Custom 880 from Waverly, Iowa. The seller doesn't provide many details, but the car appears to be a clean and well-maintained example. Its long body, chrome trim, and unmistakable 1960s styling give it plenty of character. If you're looking for a comfortable full-size American cruiser, this one might be worth a closer look. Car number 8, 1967 Oldsmobile Delmont 88, $7,750. This 1967 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 is a true survivor. Under the hood is a powerful Super Rocket 425 V8, producing 310 horsepower. The seller says the car runs and drives beautifully and still retains much of its original appearance. Power steering, power brakes, and a rebuilt carburetor make this classic even more appealing. Aside from a small tear in the driver's seat, it sounds like this Oldsmobile has been exceptionally well preserved.
Car number 9, 1957 Dodge Coronet, $10,000. Here's another beautiful car from the 1950s. This 1957 Dodge Coronet features a 325 V8 engine and Dodge's famous push-button automatic transmission. The seller says the car has good tires, new front brakes, and perhaps most importantly, no rust. With its distinctive styling and impressive condition, this Coronet could easily become the centerpiece of a collection. Car number 10.
$1951 Ford Shoebox, $2,200. We'll wrap up Part 2 with this 1951 Ford Shoebox from Atchison, Minnesota. The flathead V8 still runs well, and the manual transmission is operational. The body has a little rust, and the brakes and steering will need attention before the car returns to the road. Even so, at just over $2,200, this classic Ford offers plenty of potential for someone who enjoys restoration projects.
Car number 11, 1966 AMC Marlin, $7,500. We'll begin Part 3 with something you don't see every day. This 1966 AMC Marlin from Waterville, Minnesota is powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car remains about 95% original and runs very well. Only around 4,500 examples were produced, making this one of the rarest cars in today's collection. Car number 12, 1959 Ford Custom, $4,500. Next up is this 1959 Ford Custom from York, Nebraska. The seller says the 332 V8 engine runs extremely well, and the car has received numerous upgrades, including new brakes, a new carburetor, a rebuilt transmission, and a custom exhaust system. Aside from the headliner, the interior appears to be in very good condition. For someone searching for a dependable cruiser, this could be an excellent choice. Car number 13. (1967 Chevrolet C10, $9,000. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 is an original short bed pickup finished in black with plenty of natural patina. The truck features a 3-speed manual transmission and a small block Chevrolet engine. The seller also installed a long list of replacement parts, including new brakes, a new clutch, a new exhaust system, and a Holley carburetor. If you appreciate classic trucks with plenty of character, this C10 certainly stands out. Car number 14, 1969 Ford Mustang convertible, $5,500. Here's another Mustang, but this time it's a convertible. Located in Pendleton, Indiana, this 1969 model is powered by a V6 engine and an automatic transmission. The seller says the interior remains in good condition, and additional parts are included with the sale. Although the car needs restoration work, convertible Mustangs always attract plenty of attention. Car number 15. 1967 Ford Thunderbird, $7,500. We'll finish today's list with this beautiful 1967 Ford Thunderbird from Sydney, Ohio. The seller explains that the original owner special ordered the car with its unique combination of paint and interior colors. Power comes from a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Thanks to years of careful storage, the body appears to be in remarkably good condition, making this Thunderbird one of the most impressive cars in today's lineup. So which one would you bring home? The Mustang convertible? The Thunderbird? The Cadillac DeVille? Or maybe that incredibly rare AMC Marlin? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos featuring affordable classic cars for sale, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for the next collection of hidden automotive gems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.